How's your day going so far? I'm Yevhen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Kenmore appliances. The company received a service call to repair a Kenmore electric stove in St. Andrews. Description: the burner is heating too much and cannot be controlled. Diagnosing: I turned it on the burners and observed. Heating occurred without deviation and all burners responded to temperature changes correctly. According to the owner, the malfunction occurs randomly. Sometimes the right large burner stops responding to a decrease in temperature. I disconnect the stove from the power supply and remove the protective panel under which the burner controls are located. Gotcha. One of the switches has obvious traces of burning. This switch is responsible for controlling the burner that has problem with overheating. I decide to replace it. Repair: I remove the plastic handle under which I unscrew two screws. Take out the old switch and disconnect the wires going to its contacts. I installed the new switch in the reverse order. I screw on the protective cover, connect it to the power supply, and check the stove in all modes. Success! The Kenmore stove works properly in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Kenmore stove or any other appliances, leave a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.